Friends from Ayala Rose Hermosa. How about a big hand to them too? And let me call to officially welcome all of you in the festivities of this afternoon. Our main guy from Time Zone Philippines, its President and General Manager. How about a big hand for Mr. Rafi Rex? Sir Rafi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our 50th venue launch here in Hermosa Mall. It's our 50th outlet. So we've been we've been around for 26 years now. And I hope many of you have grown with our Time Zone brand of Family Entertainment Center. This particular venue is our, I guess, most southernmost multi-attraction venue around the Metro Manila area and its surrounding provinces. So here, it's 1,000 square meters, approximately 1,000 square meters. We have over 70, about 80 actually machines, amusement machines here. We have our duck pin bowling. We have our karaoke here. We have billiards. We have our basketball, virtual reality. So it's a complete store for the Cavite area of, here in the Imus area of Cavite. So we are very happy to bring this complete multi-attraction type of entertainment to this area. So we're hoping that everybody will enjoy playing here. It's a beautiful venue. So we welcome you to enjoy this facility. So with that, I give it back to Jasper.
Thank you so much. Now we're going to be right here. Let's interview you a little bit. Sir Rafi.
Sure.
So congratulations first and then the opening of the newest Time Zone, the 50th branch.
50th branch.
In the Philippines.
51 is coming by end of the month.
Oh.
It's going to be in SM Mall of Asia, our second venue there.
We're also invited.
We will invite all of you there. We will end the year with 51 venues all over the Philippines and 48 satellite locations across the different malls. So all up, about close to 100 venues all up.
It is indeed a Merry Christmas for all of us with Time Zone. Sir,
Yes.
so which game did you play first inside this Time Zone specifically?
Which game did I play first?
Yes.
Or will I play first later?
You haven't played anything yet.
Not yet, it's not yet completely open. So we're just on
So which one are you eyeing?
Well, we have the duck pin bowling. So duck pin bowling is a bit more challenging than our other bowling where we have the bigger balls.
Yes, the 10
Because you
pin.
have the smaller duck pin balls, so it's more challenging. So it's always fun to play duck pin bowling. Then of course, when we open Time Zones now, they come with over 80% brand new machines. So what you'll see here are mostly brand new machines. Some may have never been yet in the Philippines, no? Where's Richard? Richard, what do you think of that game with the zebra? Huh? Okay, like that rush and catch game that you see there with the zebra going up and down. That's one of the first in the country. So that's an example of a new game that we are bringing in.
Sir Rafi, I have a question for you. I know you've been playing a long time already in Time Zone.
Yeah.
What is your card like? Anong kulay?
My card is a special card. It never runs out of balance. So sometimes I feel I may be killed for it. But so far, I've been safe. So, but it's a special card. It's called well, not only me, but many other management team members have that. It's a staff card. So it's used to test all the games, di ba? I make it sound much more than it is, but it's really a staff card. So,
When it comes to the stress of the job, we're not really stressed out with this kind of job. It's the most fun job.
No, it's a fun job, but we have targets, we have budgets, so that somewhat will give us some stress. But you're right, the industry is a fun industry. It's about playing games. It's about looking for the best games we can bring into the Philippines. We plan to bring a special new attraction when we reopen. We will. I see one of our popular customers here who will always wipe us out. Okay, so we're opening another advanced information. we shall be renovating our flagship store of Glorieta 4.
Wow!
Starting in January.
OG yan, OG.
Glorieta 4 is a special venue for us. It was our second venue in the Philippines. And Glorieta 4 was our most successful venue, which actually birthed all other time zones after that. Without Glorieta 4, there would have been no time zone in the Philippines. So Glorieta 4, hopefully, if it's on schedule, will open by May, June of next year. It will have a special new attraction made just for time zone. So it's a beautiful game. I played in Sydney 2 days ago. So it will be here for Glorieta 4 by May or June of next year. So that will be another interesting venue. That's 1,600 square meters. It will have 8 lanes of bowling and many more new games by the time.
Exciting times.
So, yes.
Sir, naalala mo before you had, some challenges with the celebrities eh.
Yes!
Kung babalik pa natin yung sir,
I'm just waiting for Rochelle to make that happen.
Hey!
So, Rochelle and Anna, I don't know what they're waiting for. These two girls here.
Sorry, kasi alam ko pala.
Oo, Celebrity Open next year dapat by middle of next year. Okay, we should make it happen, Anna, okay?
Alright,
We already
okay.
have our celebrity chief commercial officer right there, Miguel.
Now the suit, sir.
You got that suit, di ba?
I know.
I thought he was not hosting.
You should be.
Yeah, you should help us host.
We have fun times for sure. And up ahead, right here, of course, they're moving this time zone. Another one coming up your way sometime soon within the month also.
Yeah, Mall of Asia within the month.
And of course, Glorieta, it's gonna be very
Glorieta will be a spectacular store.
Alright, how about a big effort to around you, ladies
Thank you
and gentlemen.
everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being here.
The kid of me is just shouting, screaming, and is having fun, just like yours probably. But in the meantime, yet again, as you have seen a while back when we opened and paraded around Ayala Malls, Vermosa, we have some cosplayers. Can we bring our cosplayers right here? Pakilala lang natin ang konti. Let's get to know our characters. Let's have a little bit of a trivia. How about a quiz right here? Makakilala niyo yung characters. Anybody who could identify the characters right here?
Sailor
Meron
Moon.
ba? Taas kamay.
Sailor Moon! Sailor Moon! Sailor Moon!
Okay, so who could you identify? Yes, correct. How about our 4 other friends? Pero, yes, sir. At ito ba? Tuturo mo na sa amin isa-isa.
Dora
Yes.
Teacher!
Sino ba sino, sir? Nilo. Correct? Si Nilo from which show or game? Okay. How about the 3 others? Thank you so much, sir. Great job. Any others? Yes? Alright, let them introduce. Okay, introduce yourselves with character that. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. You know, Sailor Moon, you identified you. How about you? Our only guy amongst the beautiful ladies.
Ronald Laradon from Grand Chase.
Grand Chiefs. So, parang I need to really study and educate myself in this world. A lot of things, of course, to get to know more. How about you? Viper. Alright, how about a big hand for cosplayers? Thank you so much for bringing so much more value and fun right here in Time Zone as we open the newest branch. But ladies and gentlemen,